Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're about to go for a test drive in a 2005 Tacoma. This one here's got the 6-cylinder under the hood, one owner truck. I believe it's right at 100,000 miles. We'll be checking that to be exact. Nice set of wheels and tires, practically new. You can check out close to 100 detailed pictures of this truck at maplemotors.com. Normally we sell these classic American muscle cars, but every once in a while we get some newer model stuff. Our actual car lot is over there getting paved. The guys right next to us let us borrow their parking lot for a couple days so we can get all of ours looking nice and clean. We do have financing, we do have shipping, and we posted this YouTube channel every day, test drives of all of the cars that come through the lot. It's about that time, guys. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior, check everything out, get her started up here. It's 108,000 miles to be exact. Motor is still cold on this one. Looks like he didn't put gas in it, so we're gonna have to stop and get a little bit of gas. Looking around the interior, it's nice and clean. Everything works, the AC's working, radio's working, windshield wipers, all that stuff is in good shape. The interior is nice and clean. We're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see running and driving wise, I will let you know, and we're gonna do a walk around video pointing out the flaws on the paint job. All right, guys, let's take off. Okay, guys, anything that I see that may be wrong with this vehicle, I will let you know. We're gonna take off down the road, and about halfway through this video, I'm gonna do a full walk around on the outside. And we're also gonna drive over the camera, check everything out, and get some outside shots. All right, we're taking off down the road here. Truck's going really straight as an arrow. As soon as I turn, it turns. Speedometer is working and accurate. Our heat gauge is coming up. It's about running temperature now. It's going down the road pretty good, nice and quick. AC's blowing still. Don't need it. Checking the brakes. No sounds, no vibration. Feels good. I'm definitely stopping at the gas station. Needs gas. So we're gonna put about $20 worth of it in here and get some outside shots right after the gas station. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna get some gas. Okay. Yeah, I got down on it in that video when I passed the camera. It started spinning the tires a little bit. I didn't expect that. I wasn't trying to do that, but it does have plenty of power. There's a giant bump in this parking lot. Pretty deep culvert there, running across that parking lot. We're gonna head on back towards the lot now. So far so good. This truck is checked out. Definitely watch the walk around video. You can see how clean this thing really is. You could definitely tell it's on a one owner truck, and they did a good job taking care of it. Seems to be riding nice and smooth as well. All right, we're coming up on that road that's got the speed bump in it. The suspension's nice on this, so you probably won't even notice. And wait till y'all see the lot. We just had it repaved. All the cars are off of it right now. They'll be back on it by Friday. Speed bump. Hardly even noticed. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. I want you to watch both videos if you are interested in this truck. And then you can give me a call. Let me know what you're thinking. I also have finance options, shipping options. We can get you hooked up. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Check out maplemotors.com. You can get all that information, plus wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Y'all have a good one. Later, guys.